Bang. What's up? Um, uh, Today was crazy. Crazy. I had another green day to the calendar, but I just wanted to show this for myself because I didn't show it yesterday for my March recap. Kind of bummed that I had to. It kind of looks ugly on the calendar, 2 red Mondays in a row, but I'm pretty happy with the amount of green days. Anyway, today I'm up 172 bucks. Given the opportunity that was available today and how insane it was, I was pretty disappointed that I was only up this much because it felt like with how crazy it was and how much opportunity that was, I felt like I was red. Um, like I feel like I should have been up a lot more than this. But 172 bucks is always nice. 1.6 profit factor. Could have easily been 2 if I didn't suck. Today was the first day I 1.5x'd my size that I was using for most of last month. And yeah. Anything else in here I want to talk about? RSLS, my biggest winner, broke $1 and went crazy mode. And then ICCT, CSAI, and BIAF, which I definitely shit the bed on. There was a lot more opportunity there. RSLS gave the most for me. That's what I was able to capitalize on most. So let's check it out. I was watching GRI off open, which I believe it surged and then rejected. Did I not take any trades on it? I didn't. I feel like dog shit. Nothing exciting on GRI. And then I looked over and saw ICCT on the 5-minute. Boom. Let's check out my first trade on it. Obviously, not a little. I wouldn't say nerves. A little bit of tingling in the balls. Before I took my first trade on bigger size like this, seeing $1.80 per cent and seeing this thing fluctuate up and down 10 cents this fast. Got the balls tingling a little bit, so I was a little bit nervous on this first trade. Tried to take a little dip there when it held, but it did not hold. Got in higher than I wanted to and out lower, obviously. Probably should have just waited to see where this thing was gonna base out for this next candle. Just opening in 5 seconds.
This thing's crazy.
Oh yeah, I took a few good trades on this after this. 43 break is really what we need. I'm thinking if we break that, it's going to send it through that pre-market high of 53. Comes up and taps 40 again. Breaks through. I add late there, so luckily it paid off that time, but that could have been really bad. First dip under 50 right there.
No.
Try to take it when it holds. It looked like it was going to come down lower for a second. I just saw a bunch of sellers come in, I think, on the tape as I got in, so I got scared and insta-sold. Yeah, I saw a lot of red out of the corner of my eye, so I got scared there, and thankfully I did cut it for a quick 4-cent winner. thing's looking like it's gonna go for a halt up now. Which just got pushed over 4. This is insane.
Small dip.
This thing's up $1 off open already. Let's see that one again. I'm looking for a small dip. Dips 80 and try to take it. Get in 84. Get out break even on that one.
What I saw.
Unfortunate. Another side note, I was getting too frustrated today. I gotta
Oh fuck.
trade with less emotion. Or just not get so worked up. It's just hard to when this is like, feels like everything in my life right now.
Yeah.
You know? I don't really have anything else going on, and this is where I'm putting all my focus.
Dumb trade.
So when it's when I feel like it's not going well, you know,
I should have been in. Fuck.
it's hard to not get frustrated. But something to work on. Tap 97 there. Holy shit, this thing, I didn't realize how crazy it was. This candle goes green. Pops
What?
big time. Should add it as it came back green there. Now looking for a break of 4. I kind of felt like a random stab, I want to be honest. Need to know exactly why I'm doing what I'm doing in every trade.
What is that?
Kind of just taking stabs, hoping one of them's going to be for the break. Give back too much there.
Yeah, ho.
I don't remember if this thing breaks or not. Right here at least.
That's genius.
I wasn't expecting this kind of momentum off open considering how this last few weeks have been. But today was insane all day long. Didn't really get a real break until like 11 our time. So what's that market time?
I don't know what the fuck just happened.
2?
I had to hold it for an extra. No, it ain't go.
Am I retarded? Yeah, that's right. Okay. I'm being stupid.
Just pretend it's slow.
I don't know that I know what that means. Oh shit.
Oh, you're a bitch.
Yeah, it should have broke strong right there if it was going to, but then it goes after.
Get out. How did I just get filled at 407? Fuck you.
I feel like I'm getting sick again. So yeah, crazy start off open. I mean, this thing.
How did?
Holy schmoly. Should have capitalized way more on this. From 290 to 470. Let's compare that to the man himself. Let's see his trades on it. Bang, bang. Alright. Bang. Catches that one. Comfortably too. He was actually in a little bit earlier than I was. Tries to take the quick dip under 50 just like I did. Let's see how he trades this one. Adds as it pushes right there. He's probably thinking he's just gonna push up for the halt up. I think I took that dip into 80 right there, but it came out break even. Hot start for the kid. Takes a few stabs in there as it's kind of holding high, hoping for the 4 break, obviously. Does he take this one as it goes green? He does, and he's marking that level as it does. Takes a new candle trade. Break even. Still doesn't want to do it. Just cutting him quick when it doesn't. Trying to give this one an extra second. Sells it. Alright, let's see this after. Sells after the weak 4 break right there. Adds back as it holds up. If you catch this 50 break. Adds in late there. Gets filled 64. What does he get out at? 61. And then it holds up. So, biggest difference is he just caught more, yeah. He took similar losses, trying that 4 break. Obviously, he was taking better trades than I was, and but was still just taking minuscule losses, and then he actually caught some more meaty moves on it. PIAF.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh.
72. Oh, we're getting wild now. We're gonna start teleporting. Oh,
I like that trade. taps 50s a couple
It's so
times, but it keeps
teleporting.
coming back. Isn't looking strong, and then it comes up 53 right here, and then we're actually holding up for a second. So I add, buyers come in, take that for about 10 cents. Bang.
Bang, bang, bang. I should have been.
30. Oh, I need to move my.
Okay, 2 minutes. Or not that. Okay, they're holding a little higher now. As I say that, they're gonna send this bitch.
I'm liking this look. Thinking
Why
back
they
to
sell.
67 sends it. Big seller sitting there at 70. Oh, what? What? That's tough.
Yeah, they're not dipping it.
Buy Busta. Add there for an 80s dip. I don't mind it. No. Sell when it looks looking like it's coming down lower. Break even. '78's that high. Dip 70s. I don't know what's happening.
I miss.
Like it was holding high. What? This is similar to that 4 break.
Oh, I actually didn't lose any money during Holdout Fiasco. That's surprising.
I haven't made shit on this thing. Relative to fucking how much.
10-minute hold on GR. This thing's gonna open at 6:45.
Boring. RSLS.
ICCT.
I generally hate pennies, but love pennies that are going for the whole dollar break.
Oh,
Take it
shit.
through 95 there. Fortunately, get out 96, so that's a 1 cent. Once again, getting the balls to tingle a little bit. Taking this with 600 shares, I should have added. Just pushing this thing up. What?
I'm gonna look at a GR.
Oh, they're pushing this thing. I just pump faked my buy button. I half clicked it. Not sure why I didn't buy through
fucker.
103. Waiting for them to push that halt. They just keep pushing is hold higher on RSLs.
108.
108 now, looking for this 105 break. Add after, but I figured they're just gonna push to the next halt level. Oh, I sold this. Sell right there, a little premature, but I didn't like how high I was in. Then they actually halted there. So many halts today, it was insanity. As soon as I come over, we're gonna make our first red candle. Really?
Yeah.
CSAI, this thing was
630 break. It's gonna go halt up.
felt pretty good on early on, and then gave back a little more than I would have liked to
33. Fuck.
on it. A little bit of longer holds on this thing. I wonder if it. No, I took so many fucking fast trades that it didn't really affect the whole time, but. Oh, I missed it. I am happy with the trades that I took early on it. I do remember looking for a dip close to 38. Dips 30 there, which is a little bit lower than I would like to see, but it keeps holding, so I add. Looking to hold all the way up to 73. Sell there. I like that. I was in 46 and it looked like 48 was going to break down, so didn't want to let it go right in my face. Held it the whole way. Should have held it. If I was in closer to 30,
I didn't stop it. I need to get back in.
maybe would have thought about holding it.
Oh.
They were holding it up there for a half second, so I re-added, but they did not break it. Unhalt on RSLS. Let's check it out.
Oh, I missed. I missed.
Ooh. Wow.
Oh, what?
Look at this. So they come up,
Oh, I missed.
tap it right there.
I missed.
Doesn't break it. I would sell. They're not breaking it down though. Add there. And then it breaks. Wow.
Oh, it went. Fuck.
Could have been
So
60
too
bucks.
soon.
You're in there?
Yeah, I got like 3 cents.
I was scared to add that high. Come on.
Oh shit, CSI. They're gonna go.
Oh, this one I remember is. I think this is the one that I add and
I
actually
can't just
hold.
like keep going.
Let's see. In 56. Looking for the break of 72. Sorry, 73. Taps it a couple times. Continues to hold up though, so I keep holding this. Boom.
Oh, I knew it.
Still after the break. Oh, 79, which is maybe sold a little bit too soon, but.
Boom, give it to him.
Okay, seven break. 77 holds twice there. Should
Oh,
add it,
missed it.
and there is 7. 709 though. Could have been another 20 some cents.
Buy if
7.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks crazy. That's.
I'm fine on that. I don't care.
Should have more shares, but I had lower because I was holding for a long time.
ICCT. I don't know. It's at 70. I don't know.
I hold you up there.
Well, right under 70. A big bet at 70.
CSA. First dip back under 7.
Well, give me a fucking 65 to 4.
Small loss there. Does end up holding there and then keeps going. A little bit unfortunate. see this. Just unhalted. It's late to this unhalt.
Forgot about that. Whatever, I'm gonna stay on this.
Halts down after that. That was a good trade though. I'm the biggest fan of that entry.
Just pop through this.
Probably should have added through that seller.
What the?
End up holding it down kind of right there anyway. Need to go through 13 and then looking for the 25 break through that.
No, I don't. 16.
Easy. ICCT. Didn't do the greatest on this, clearly. Oh, that's a good trade though. Let's see that one more time. 30 is that daily level. 37's that high. It's holding around 32. Holds it again. Keep holding it there. Nice. I just kept holding in that same spot. That's kind of a free one. Yeah, I'm not gonna go through all of this.
Really? Okay.
Higher and higher. Seven.
Only 16. Thank you.
Thank you. I was at 104, an hour in the open. Oh.
Okay.
I
Ah!
shouldn't have sold. Oh yeah, I think I sold early on this one. 20's previous candle 840. Thinking might send it straight to 865. Okay.
Ah, shit.
No quick tip. Okay. Continue to hold it here after.
Okay. Ah!
Shouldn't have sold. You need to be looking to get back in though. 40s.
Why is my order just hovering?
Continues to hold. Should add it right there.
Oh. Okay. Give us orders.
Maybe. 65, quick dip.
Oh,
Oof.
that ass killed me.
In a little high, yeah. Boom.
Ah!
Why do I even sell? I've learned your fucking lesson, Warren. Okay.
I'm complaining that it's going after I'm selling. Realistically, I had the chance to add back there. I was up 44 on this at one point. God
Why don't I just
damn.
fucking...
Holds 32 a few times there. Add, looking for the break in 960. So right
So
there,
rad.
53. That one was actually good. Could have tapped 56 one too many times there without breaking. I'm at 136.
No.
2 hours in the open.
Oh shit. Ah, fuck.
Last one I'll look at. Just continue to hold there. Should have added with those buyers.
Really?
We'll be selling there anyway.
Hey.
28 break is what we really
428.
need. Should have added there.
Do it.
Quick dip. See where it holds. Boom. 22. Should be in.
TSA.
A little bit back and
Oh,
forth. Definitely be in.
Ah, fuck.
Cub. Boom. And then, yeah. All the way back down to 106. Got a wee bit tilted, but it is what it is. Not used to having a focus for that long. It's been so dead after the first 2 hours the last 3 weeks, but yeah, hopefully we get opportunity like that, like today, tomorrow, and into the near future. But yeah, green 172, bang bang shrimp, and see you tomorrow.